Pace, 14 minutes 29 seconds per kilometer. Average pace, 20 minutes 48 seconds per kilometer.
Oh, so guys.
6 calories. Pace, 13 minutes 12 seconds per kilometer.
Guys, as of today. Sorry guys if I didn't talk on the first part, because this is the second part. Originally this is the third part, because I started recording the second time, but I finished the recordings, the second part, for the duration of 40 seconds. So this would be the part 2.
Pace, 13 minutes per kilometer.
Actually, when I talk in my room, when in the part 1, I didn't talk, and the starting of this video, I didn't speak.
10 calories.
So
average pace, 17 minutes 15 seconds per kilometer.
I didn't talk because I might disturb, first of all, my brother, who is sleeping just the other
pace, 13 minutes 8 seconds per kilometer.
Room. Then, of course, when I speak, then the sense of hearing of the dogs will hear my voice and they will bark. And it will create noise. And it will disturb people also. Because today, it is 2 a.m. So when I'm preparing my fruit.
14 calories. Pace, 14 minutes 57 seconds per kilometer.
Actually, it is 2 at that time. I don't know. It was 2 a.m. I don't know what minute was that, but I think 2:38 a.m. But when I
average pace, 18 minutes 28 seconds per kilometer.
But when I show you on the
pace,
other
19
cell phone,
minutes 4 seconds per kilometer.
This application that I'm using is always talking, because this is how I monitor my pacing, duration, something like that.
17 calories.
So guys, I think when I show you the screen of the clock of the cell phone on the first part, I think it says 5:20. 38,
pace, 13 minutes 16 seconds per kilometer.
38, I think 5:38 a.m. That was shown in the screen, but that was the front of my camera, and I'm showing it on front of my camera, not on the back of my camera. That's why the 2 seems 5. I just noticed it. But today it is 3:04 a.m. That's why I'm using my
20 calories. Pace, 13 minutes 13 seconds per kilometer. Average pace, 16 minutes 53 seconds per kilometer.
I'm using my cell phone, so light. But actually I can use my headlamp, but I decided not to use my headlamp too early, because maybe so that I can minimize, because I think
Pace 12 minutes 48 seconds per kilometer.
I think I think the weather today would be, I think, at least 5:30 a.m. to 6.
24 calories.
Or it's the time where I don't need to use light, because that's where the environment can be seen already. Even though this way, actually this
Pace
way,
13 minutes 19 seconds per kilometer.
Actually this way, this pathway that I'm walking is can be seen.
Average pace 16 minutes 14 seconds per kilometer.
This
pace 13 minutes 52 seconds per kilometer.
This pathway that I'm walking can be seen even though there's no moon during night, because this is white, color white. So you can follow this without light. You can notice it.
28 calories. Pace 12 minutes 57 seconds per kilometer.
But it rained yesterday. The weather was bad. I think in today's last week was the weather is always raining, at least starting from 12 p.m. onwards up until the evening, and sometimes up until early morning. Yeah, that's why these pathways
pace 13 minutes 54 seconds per kilometer
are wet and can't be seen, so needs light. So guys, I'll end recordings here, and maybe I'll turn off the volume of my cell phone.
32 calories. Average pace
that,
16 minutes 1 second per kilometer.
This voice of the application can't be heard on the recordings. So guys, that's it. I'll update you later on. Actually, I'm just walking.
Pace 14 minutes 5 seconds per kilometer.
I'll make it as my warm-up or exercise, because I did not take any exercise or warm-up. I just fix my things and start recording. Even on my Suunto app, I'm now recording. That's why the voice from this Suunto application is always talking, because it is monitoring me. That's all, guys.